Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. So I was like, what am I gonna do with my hair? Like, I don't even know. But then I remember I ordered some hair paint wax and I was like, hey, why not try it today? So these are the products that I'm gonna be using. Y'all, this thing smells so good. It don't even smell like harsh chemicals. So for the way I section my hair, everything in the back was gonna have purple, like from the bottom down. So that's how I wanted it. And I think I started getting shook by the results right there in that clip. I was like, wait a minute, this thing is turning out so nice. Okay, so the steps that I basically did was the LCO method, not the LOC. I used a liquid, which was water. I didn't use any leave-ins. I used water, I used the cream, and then I used oil. But it was like a whole bunch of oils in one. So it had olive, coconut, jojoba, and almond. And after that is when I used my argan. I know you've seen the argan in the clip. It was kind of like a pomade or whatever. And then I went ahead and used the hair paint wax. I know I wanted this section to like have my sides out, so I made sure I took them out. And then I went ahead and moisturized that first part. Like I went ahead and did all the methods and I sectioned it off, so I made sure I got everything before I started to put it in one of those space buns. And with the jar that it came with, I think my biggest fear was actually running out of the color, because it's like I want to use this another day. Like, this stuff is so bomb, I'm telling you. Like, I was like, okay, I was already starting to plot what color I'm gonna get next. This next step, I actually didn't show this product, which I should have. I'm using Eco Styler, the argan kind. And I'm going ahead and make sure my space bun is gonna come out really super sleek, have no flyaways, none of that. And I brush it in. And then that's when I use the hair paint wax. And I also brush that in, because if not, it's not really gonna blend. So this was basically recorded in the morning. I let my hair dry until the night, and I was ready to go ahead and take down the twist. Now, when I took it down, I didn't feel the need to put any oil in my fingers because I know people put oil on their fingers and that helps them eliminate frizz. But since my hair was well moisturized with the argan pomade and with the hair paint wax, serves as a, like, I want to say it feels like a type of grease as well. I didn't feel like the oil was necessary. You guys don't see my fupa. Can they see my fupa? So guys, thank you for watching my video. This is just a short review. I don't even have the product in my hand. How am I supposed to do this? Okay guys, thanks for watching my video. It was a short demo on hair paint wax. Here it is. And I would just like to say this product is pretty bomb. I like it. You can go on their website. I'll put a description link below. No, I'm not sponsored by them or anything like that, but they have a lot of different colors if you want to try it. I know I saw blue, gold, green, gray, just to name a few. And I'm like, and I know they sell like 6 colors for like 40 something. I'm debating on that, but so far, like, this is cool. Like, don't have to dye your hair or nothing. It's very temporary. Yes, it rubs off a little bit, but I feel like it's worth it. It looks cute. Like in my little protective style when I had in a twist earlier, I went to church like that. And it looks really nice. And then now I'm going to the, the night scene or whatever. So it's not too bright or harsh or nothing. It don't look weird or anything like that. But you can't really see it here. But I know in lighting, it does look purple. It's like, it's perfect for somebody like me who said I was not gonna bleach my hair anymore, and I made the video like bleach is damaging, this and that. Like, I finally got my curls back how I wanted, this and blase blase. Like, I like this, and this actually makes your curls pops. Like, I remember when I was seeing the other people try this on, I was like, really? Like, that makes your curl pop like a wax? But it found, it's true. It's true. I found that to be true. Even with grease, but that's a whole nother video I'm gonna do with the topic of grease. But overall, I'm happy, y'all. Like, I'm so glad I made my little $6 investment to getting one of these. If y'all want to, y'all should go for it. And I'm loving my little results. Look at my hair. My hair have never looked like this before. Never. And I finally found a product that's not harsh or damaging. So if you guys want to look into it, y'all should. Well, thank you guys for watching. Bye.